Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another SPY recap. Ricky here, just giving a quick update. Today is Thursday, January 15th, 2026, and SPY was up today 0.27% and closed at a price of 692.24. The monthly trend over here is still up and price is still trading far above the monthly basis. And on the weekly trend is also still up. Price is still above the weekly basis and the weekly structure is still bullish overall. And on the daily trend is also up. The daily price closed above the daily basis, so the structure is still bullish here. And lastly, on the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour trend is also up now, but it is still consolidating. So price closed above the 4-hour basis, but this candle here shows a bit of a hesitation. And big picture summary, so the alignment is bullish overall because the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour are all above their basis at this 4 p.m. close. And now for the trade idea section. So as always, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. But for me, I do see an aggressive long setup opportunity here on SPY, and I'll explain why. This is an aggressive trade idea, so the position size has to be small, usually just about 20 to 25% of my normal position size. So the long trade here is reasonable because the daily and the 4-hour closed above their basis today. And the last 4-hour candle pulled back, but it still held above its basis, which keeps the bullish thesis alive. But the 4-hour volatility matters here. So the stop loss must be buffer and the position size must be small. And let's take a look at the trade setup here for this aggressive long trade. So if I open a long position here at this close at 692.12 here, so my stop loss has to be at 688.50, so about here. So that gives the stop loss enough room for the idea to work, and also is less likely to get shaken out by a normal volatility. And my target would be 698.12, which is the 4-hour upper band right there. So this trade here, as you can see, so the target one up here, that's, so the reward is about 1.6 times my risk. So that makes it a good trade. And our stop loss is right here. So we're risking from the entrance to the stop loss about 0.5%, which is not bad. And the invalidation would be that both the daily and the 4-hour close back below that basis. Then I exit at that close. So I take this long because the bases are holding at this moment, but it could change, and I will reassess again tomorrow. And that's all for today. Thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.